Hello friends, I welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Sirajul Akfaisi. Today in this video I am going to talk about double clicking on desktop icon and start the program as shown below. And what is this? This is the Gaussian software, which is very important for researcher. So friends, let us start with the Gaussian software and maybe this video will be very helpful to you. The blue empty window new is the builder, this blue one window where the required molecule is built. Now to build a toluene, click on the benzene ring icon on the main window, place the cursor in the builder window and click. A benzene ring will appear as shown below. You can see here. Then click the atom type icon in the main window. A periodic table will appear. Click on C and select the tetrahedral atom. Now click on hydrogen atom of benzene ring in the builder menu and toluene molecule should be built. You can see here. So you now can change the molecule display properties by going to the view menu and select display format. The variety of format ball and bond, wireframe, tube are available. Choose tube and note change in the display window. Click OK to save this display change. Now calculation using the Gaussian program are set up and run using the calculate menu. You can see here. Upon opening the following is display. This allows various type of electronic structure calculation to be performed using Gaussian. Now geometrical optimizations. Geometrical optimization is the name for the procedure that attempt to find the configurations of minimum energy of the molecule. The procedure calculates the wave functions and the energy at the starting geometry and then proceed to search a new geometry of lower energy. This is repeated unit and lower energy geometry is formed. Frequencies and thermochemistry. Calculation of various vibrations of the molecules in question along with their parameter that you can choose to include a erase from the output. Because the molecular frequency depends on the second derivative of the energy with repeat the nuclear positions. You should make sure that theoretical models you choose for the calculations compute second derivative ab initio and DFT theoretical model are known to give the best result. So friends, for example, choose energy under the job type submenu. Note one can also choose a variety of other jobs such as geometry optimization or vibrational frequency analysis. Now under the method submenu, we can choose the type of calculation we wish to perform. This can be artifact without some form of electron correlation statement, semi-empirical PM3 AM1 and density function 3 DFT calculation using an appropriate density function either local, gradient, correlated or hybrid type. Now for artifact or DFT calculation we also have the opportunity of choosing an appropriate basis set from the submenu. For our example calculation we can choose the HF method for the STOG basis set. We submit our calculation using submit button. You can ask for a file name to save the job, choose an appropriate instruction name and a new window will open where the progress of the run can be monitored. The output data is written two types of files, log files which is text listing of the program state and check file which is binary file that can be used to generate various surface representation. Choose the log file first and toluene molecules will appear in the new windows. You can see there are view the log file, go to the results menu and choose view. You can window containing the file listings should appear. WordPad text file, scroll down through the file to see the informations contained. So displaying molecular orbitals, electron density, electrostatic potential, build the para-methylphenol molecules, modify the molecules such that OH group lies in the ring plane, This can be done using diagonal angles modified show a highlighted in the figure. Yes. For graphical presentation of orbital and electron density, the check file, it is required using the calculates menu. We need to save a copy of checkpoint file in our working directory. We do this opening link menu in the set of box and clicking the checkpoint file like that. You can see here, giving the check file to appropriate name, we can retain our working directory after job run for analysis. So file, open, combination to obtain this using the checkout filter. Open Cresol check file and save your working directory and two factors. You can see here also you can see here permission. You can see the results, density. You can skin like natures, display format. You can see we first calculated total electron density default contour and map the constant onto the surface. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. You can see here, this is displaying